From nothing.
From nothing.
From nothing.
From nothing.
From nothing. Who I am is the possibility of excellence,
Well-being. Integrity.
commitment,
Love.
ownership, fulfillment, fitness,
Happiness. Courageous.
unstoppable,
Awareness,
Empowerment.
bliss,
Enthusiasm.
Powerful,
leadership,
contribution and compassion.
My project is about bringing love and happiness in my building, the fulfillment of 24-hour water supply, cleanliness and surrounding environment to be healthy.
What matters to me is that our future generations are safe and well aware. In our fast-moving lives, as we grow old, we come to realize that safety was an important aspect, and then we start learning about safety. What if the schools start giving these safety and disaster management awareness right at the school level? That's what my project is all about. It's about future safe.
My project is Happy Stars. It's a community project for young children from pre-primary and the primary school in the interiors of Kolhapur, where I hail from. And spoken English is a bit of problem over there, as in the teachers and the students both have from the same background, and that's how people are uncomfortable speaking in English because of no listening access to them. So I do my bit by providing them the access of telling stories and interacting with them in English, and to promote confidence in them about the language.
My project name is Transformation. My project is all about changing paper tickets in local railway travel to e-tickets.
The moment they step into the world of work, career and responsibilities, they think health can always take a back seat, and they don't need to give priority to that. I would like to create awareness about the same through my project Fit at 40, and I'd like to see you all there.
My project is called Theek Se Chala Mumbai, and I'm committed to bringing in traffic discipline in Mumbaikars while they are driving, while they are walking on the roads. Today we have an issue of discipline where vehicles are not following any rules and where signals and parking rules are being flouted. I'm committed to bring about a change in that space, and I'm doing all possible things such as printing bumper stickers, creating awareness to Facebook, talking to all the people in the community, and there are more than 15 people enrolled in the possibility today, and more than 400 vehicles in Mumbai today are carrying the bumper sticker of Theek Se Chala Mumbai, requesting Mumbaikars not to honk and to stop at all the red lights.
My target community is working mothers, and my project is about opening up daycare centers in the office complexes. After opening it, it will definitely give the mothers more satisfaction, they'll be more happier, and they'll be much focused about the work.
The project that I have taken up is to promote cycling in Mumbai, and to start with, Hiranandani Gardens Powai. The result I want to achieve is to have a better, fitter community and less pollution in our locality and less traffic congestion.
Project I was taking means medical camp and awareness camp. My project name is Dirghayushya, living life healthy.
Name of my project is Ban the Bag. This is to prevent the vegetable vendors from using the plastic bag, which is causing an environmental pollution and hence a hazard to human health.
My project is Don't Worry, Only Study. In this project, we inspire the students to go for a regular study, and we provide them a structure to follow a routine which inspires them for the regular study.
I have taken up a project on providing extracurricular education to underprivileged kids. I feel that by doing this project, underprivileged kids are going to lead a very good life, and it's going to impact their life.
The name of my project is Kamal Dhamal Diwali. This project is about generating awareness about the pollution caused by firecrackers during Diwali. In this project, I enrolled close to 2,000 students. I gave them generated awareness among them about the crackers and the pollution it causes. And 2,000 students and teachers have already signed in my project and taken an oath that they will not burst the firecrackers.
The project that I've taken up goes by the name Project Sansani, and I'm working with my community on creating awareness about the use of solar energy for generating electricity in the urban areas.
What I'm standing for is cleaner beaches. What we plan to do is put up concrete bins on the beach so that it's convenient for people to throw their litter in it.
What my project does is I, along with my school's teachers and my classmates, what we do is we educate students from lower grades about different things like economics, current world issues, like what's happening in Syria, what's happening in the south, what's about the Naxalites and all of that, so that they can have a well-rounded knowledge about the world.
The name of my project is Jivika, which means livelihood. Through this I aim to provide 1,000 families in the city of Mumbai living below the poverty line with income and food through the creation of sharing of food and creation of income of 2,000 rupees per month in the form of employment.
My project name is Roshni, Healthy Hearts. This is about having a complete body checkup done at a young age.
My project is Share Your Talent. It's a project to collect the used books from people and to provide to the needy persons.
My project is about the people called eunuchs, the so-called third sex, who are living among us but living the life in solidarity and living the life as outcasts. So what I am looking for, or what I am creating, is their life as among us, as equal to us, and having equal opportunity just like us, having living means, having means of livelihood, everything, just equal chance as we have.
The name of my project is Moklashwas Pratyek Stricha Adhikar. It's an initiative to conduct workshops of self-defense for women, for a fearless community for girls and women.
Name of my project is No Number Plates. All vehicles throughout the country should have the high security registration plates on all vehicles. Even the Supreme Court from time to time has given directions to all the states to implement the said scheme. However, the scheme is not implemented yet. So, under this project, we have filed the contempt petition before the Honorable High Court so as to implement the said scheme in our state. In response to that contempt petition, the state of Maharashtra is responded positively, and they have opened the tenders for implementation of high security registration plates. Along with that, during the pendency of this contempt petition, we have also enrolled the RTO offices, the concerned RTOs, Superintendent of Police and Commissioners, to have check on the fancy number plates, where we can see that the vehicles are having the number plates saying Nana, Dada, Kaka, Pawar, and so many different kinds of fancy number plates.
The project that I have taken up is Refuse Abuse. What I would be doing here is creating awareness amongst the children and parents in different schools, and also a slideshow which would create awareness against child sexual abuse, and this would be in the multiplexes.
The name of my project is Stress Free Literacy. As we know that in today's society, stress is present everywhere. So my project gives you access to cure that. Create a space where people can express their anger by either relieving their anger or either by forming groups and discussing the problems and how to solve them. This is a platform totally dependent and totally available for you.
The community project which I have taken is named as Gujarati Manchester. It is an online portal for Surat textile community from where I belong to. It is specific for Surat textile industry. Now this project is regarding creating an awareness and growth for Surat textile industry in global level.
The name of my project is Udan, the sky is the limit. And in this project, I am going to be participating with my school friends. Through this campaign, we want to spread awareness among the students of 9th to 12th about the various career options available The aim of this project is to curb student suicides, which are increasing at an alarming rate in our country, and also to ensure that the students are well informed.
What matters to me is 50% of the people don't vote and 50% of the people don't read newspaper. My possibility is awareness. To bring awareness to the voting and how important it is. Currently, we have also developed a proto device wherein we can bring awareness to electronic voting, and I have around 4 leaders in my project, and we have impacted more than 2,500 people so far, and this journey will continue till the parliamentary elections.
The name of my project is The Dawn, which means early morning, wherein I'm committed to achieve economic empowerment or financial independence of women who have been victims of domestic violence, rape, or any kind of or human trafficking or any kind of such offense.
My project is titled Beyond Me, wherein I'm doing the customized clothing for the underprivileged kids or the orphanage kids. I just want these kids to be coming on the ramp, on the runway, and just posing in front of the camera and just flaunting. I think that would give them some sort of sense of joy and the sense of being privileged. And that's the only intention of my project.
SLP में ये मेरा project था कि उम्मीद का एक कदम, empowering for women and create the talent. हमने अभी project लिया था 1000 blanket donate by cancer patient and street beggars को. बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला. 80 to 90 लोगों ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेंट किया है और हम लोगों ने 2 वीक्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया है, कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है कैंसर पेशेंट और स्ट्रीट बेगर्स को blankets for the enrollment.
My community project is Entrepreneurship Development Center in Technical College. Students are struggle-free and stress-free employment generation in this community and get their entrepreneurship after the college.
The project that I am doing right now under the SELP is Easy Literacy. And the possibility of the project is to provide 100% literacy to all the adults across the country. The initial pilot of the project is happening in Hiranandani Gardens, Powai, which is my community. This is a program in which everybody who is not literate, who is employed either at households or in offices, can have a structure by which they can become 100% literate in 50 to 60 days time frame, 1 hour per day. And it's a no-cost initiative where there are no costs which are involved. The status of the initiative as of now is that TCS has very kindly provided a computer-based training curriculum for Hindi, Marathi and Gujarati, which we are going to be implementing. The Glencroft Cooperative Housing Society based out of Hiranandani as well as the Rotary Club of Mumbai Lakers are providing support for the program. We are currently in the process of enrolling the first batch of about 20 housemates and we'll be starting the training starting January. We already have 8 trainers who have agreed to be part of this program. Once we complete this within our community, then we are going to take it across to Mumbai, Maharashtra and then across all over India and realize the possibility of seeing 100% literacy, adult literacy across the country.
My community project is all about creating signages for a 2.5 hectare society. This is the society where I stay in. There are 4 buildings and their area is spread out. What happens is people coming in, visitors coming in especially, and the support staff face a lot of difficulties in locating the flats. The signages project will give a completely clearly directions to the people where to park the cars, where they should follow, what are the roadways or what are the pathways to follow, and people will be able to reach their flats faster. The visitors will be able to reach the flats faster. Not only that, the support system from the grocery stores, the washermen, and all these people who are coming to the building, they'll be able to locate the flat faster and come there.
My community is my family, and the project which I have taken is Jagruti. Jagruti, creating awareness among the patients of bipolar disorder, a psychiatric disease.
My project name is Lively Affairs, the Community. It's about a blood donation camp for the members of our community who are little less privileged than what we are and unfortunately lose their battles with life for the lack of blood when they actually need the same.
I have taken up the project called Save Soil. My project is about creating an awareness in farmers to integrate organic way in chemical way. This is being done through 8th and 9th students as leaders. As of now, 50 leaders are prepared to take this project into the 5 villages around my town.
My project is Boon Boon Se Pani Bachao. It is a water conservation project. Through this project, I want to create awareness among the people about tap leakages. Tap leakages leads to lots of water wastage.
So my community project is the paper house. The paper house, this is community project, work for handicapped people and housewife. We work for his income and self-respect. We provided home-based employment. Our intention is that save papers and use and recycle the papers always.
My project name is Project Muskan. The intention of this group is to improve the living conditions in government homes and other old age homes. We had worked with an orphanage at Dadar called Balika Ashram. It was during Diwali time. They had requested new clothes for the 50 girls residing there, and they had also requested a medical camp to be conducted for these girls. So we asked people to support us. A lot of people donated money for the clothes, and we also spoke with a couple of doctors, and they volunteered and they offered free services to conduct a medical checkup for these girls.